Hello students, welcome to Daily English Homework. In this video, I'm going to talk about YouGlish. I talked about YouGlish in a past video, but I feel a lot of my students don't understand how to use YouGlish. It's such an important tool for learning new English vocabulary. I use it all the time, and I hope you do too. So I'm going to talk about YouGlish, and of course there's homework, so you can practice using YouGlish. And the homework today will be check YouGlish and tell me what prepositions are used with these words, opposite and impressed. Now, I'm going to talk about this homework in a little bit more detail later. Let's go take a look at YouGlish. So I'm at Google here. I type in YouGlish, enter, and it brings me to the YouGlish website. And you're going to see YouGlish just has this prompt up here, this search prompt. This is where you're going to put new vocabulary that you want to learn how to use or how to pronounce. And it is a very powerful tool. So I'm going to, I should say this first. YouGlish is not a dictionary, all right? So if you see a new word, it's not a good idea to come to YouGlish first. First, check the dictionary, all right? Kind of get the meaning, understand the meaning of the word. After the dictionary, all right, then come to YouGlish to find out how it's used, when it's used by native speakers, and how it's pronounced, all right? So if I'll just choose a simple word like dangerous, and I just click over here, say it. And
that was the most dangerous thing about being...
Okay, there we go. What YouGlish is doing is going through YouTube and finding the parts of videos where native speakers use the word dangerous. So you can see here they got 43,242 samples of native speakers using the word dangerous. So, and they also have this. They also have the translated below here, so you can check the word as it's being said. So you could just cycle through.
When nostalgia becomes political, it becomes quite dangerous.
It's very dangerous for the region.
You could just keep cycling through videos, hearing native speakers say dangerous and how they use it, when they use it. Great word, great tool to learn about words. Also the pronunciation. You can see up here they have American pronunciation, UK pronunciation, Australian, Canada, Ireland, Scotland, New Zealand. Okay, for this video, I'm just going to worry about US, UK pronunciation. So let's choose a word like schedule. Now, schedule is, well, I'm saying it like American, schedule. The CH has that hard K, schedule. But British people, I'm not British, but as far as I know, they say schedule. I don't know. Let's check. Well, let's confirm the US pronunciation.
Are over budget or behind schedule.
All right. She says schedule. Let's check it again.
But some of these folks really want me to keep on schedule. Yes, please.
All right. He says schedule. Let's check the UK.
They were 36 hours behind schedule.
He definitely says schedule in that video. Let's check one more.
Comments below when you most like to read, or if you're going to schedule in.
Oh, this is Lucy, a teacher in the UK, but she definitely didn't say schedule. She said schedule. So again, when you're talking to sometimes teachers or other students, they're going to say American pronunciation is schedule and British pronunciation is schedule. But the reality is, English is an international language, and here we have a British person using schedule the American way. That's okay. That's okay. But overall, I would say, I don't know. I'm not British, but I can say most British people. I don't want to use the word most because I don't know exactly, but I can say a lot of British people say schedule. But YouGlish is also going to tell us British people also say schedule. All right. Let's look at let's listen to another word, controversy. So I say controversy because I'm Canadian and I have Canadian pronunciation. Let's listen.
A big controversy in this.
He didn't say controversy. He said controversy. What's happening there? Let's check it again.
Fetch rewards. Anyway, yeah, the protein combining controversy.
Okay, he says controversy like me.
Again, avoided anything to do with controversy within.
Okay, he says a controversy like me. All right, so the first person said it different than I said it, but these two people said it like me. Let's check UK pronunciation.
Or without controversy.
Okay, she said controversy. I do not say controversy. Who's right? Who's wrong? We're both right.
Government officials in a number of different European countries, and has even been used to much controversy as part of...
All right, he's British, and he certainly says controversy too. So, again, a great tool to hear different pronunciations of these words, and to learn that, you know, internationally, a lot of these words might have multiple ways to say these words. There's no strict rules that... you know, British people must pronounce it this way, American people must pronounce it this way. You're going to find that a lot of people are, you know, a lot of Americans might be saying British way, and a lot of British people might be saying American way, thanks to the internet, thanks to the modern world. Let's go back to the homework. All right. So your homework is to check YouGlish and tell me which or what prepositions are used with these words. I have two words, opposite and impressed. Now, I'm going to use an example of the word go. Just the simple word go. Say it.
You know, after every convincing point.
Let's look at the script down here. All right, this is followed by a comma, not a preposition. That's not helping us. Okay, that's not helping us.
This is why I go
okay, this is
the girls or
go after. So we after is a preposition. So we know a possible preposition after go is after. Another one, go back. That's another possible preposition. Go out. Out is another possible preposition. And if we kept checking go, you know, go is a common word. There's a lot of prepositions after go. But your word is not go. You have two words, opposite and impressed. Now, these words do not have many prepositions after them. That's why you're doing this YouGlish homework, to see, you know, how can I check this word? How can I see how it's pronounced? You know, how it's used in context? And also, what words is it usually connected with? So you take the word opposite, you put it in YouGlish, and you scan through a few videos to see what preposition is commonly used after the word. Opposite and impressed. When you did your homework, you post below, you tell me, hey, Robin, I checked opposite. These are the common prepositions I saw after the word opposite, and these are the common prepositions I saw after the word impressed. All right, that's your homework, everyone. Good luck. I'll be very eager to see your responses, and I hope you learn to appreciate the power of YouGlish as much as I do. All right, do your homework.